We are a 40-year-old company and a global leader in the design and manufacture of custom friction material. I reached out to my brother-in-law and my dad and I said, hey guys, I think we want to buy something. They jumped in head first and we purchased PMA as a family. And we're very excited about our next generation and how we continue to lead PMA through our family values. We first heard about the program through our amazing partnership with IMEC. So we looked at what are our goals for the next 12, 24, and 36 months, and where do we have gaps in our own talent to be able to bring in outside help. And so we followed our Hoshin-Connery process. We figured out which one of our goals we had a gap in, and we really targeted those areas.
When I first got hired on, it was one of her biggest goals and things that she wanted to focus on was growing our members. She wants to grow me as a leader, so that's the first step of investing into the members. The immediate impacts has been able to connect with my members better. I've been able to kind of go more in depth with why decisions are being made versus just saying, hey, this is what's going to happen. I've been able to build their trust.
Kyle is the grandson of our founder. He is a legacy Conrad. He has great partnership with the business owners that we acquired from. In small companies, attrition is something that we really think about. Do they top out of the workforce? Is there areas for them to grow? And so we know that companies that invest in skills of their people keep their people longer. So by us investing in skills that grow our organization, and then that organization creating the pipeline for additional growth for our people, we hope to have generations in the next 40, 50, 100 years of PMA going strong with Kyle leading that way.
What makes this leadership course so valuable is that we have a lot of employees, meaning throughout the state of Illinois, who don't have a lot of leadership experience. Manufacturers want to promote within. And these manufacturers are now able to take this leadership course and put their employees in it and able to promote within by growing their skills and being able to continue on having a strong workforce.
When you think about the aspects of people being elevated into a leadership role, they have the technical knowledge to do the job. This whole program is based off of people skills and the people management because you have to be able to interact with folks in order to retain them and keep the engagement level high.
Working with IMEC has been a blessing and a treat. It's not about IMEC's vision, but it's really about what is PMA's vision for the next 10 years and how can IMEC be a foundation and a partner in that. So for us, it's really a relationship of great faith, familiarity, and friendship. IMEC is really a group of amazing people.